Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for limits. Find the following limits. Here we have limit when x approaching infinity for the function 2x squared plus x minus 4 over 1 minus x squared. So kindly substitute the infinity and we will have infinity over infinity, where we have the indeterminate form. So what we have to do is to dividing the numerator and the denominator with the higher powers of x for the denominator. So in here we have the x squared for the denominator. So kindly factor out the x squared. Limit when x approaching positive infinity, we have to factor out the x squared. So where we have 2 plus with 1 over x minus 4 over x squared. Over, we have the x squared. In here we have 1 over x squared minus the 1. So if we simplify the situation, limit when x approaching positive infinity, so we have 2 plus with 1 over x minus 4 over x squared over 1 over x squared minus 1. So if we substitute the infinity, we have 1 over infinity, which is equals to 0. So at the end, we have the value of y, which is approaching the negative 2. Next, we have b. Limit when x approaching 2 for the function 3 minus square root of x plus 7 over x squared minus 4. If we substitute the value, and we will have 0 for the numerator and also 0 for the denominator. And we have the situation indeterminate form. So what we have to do is to, number 1, multiply by the conjugate. Number 2, factorization. Number 3, long division. So in here, my suggestion would be multiply by the conjugate. So limit when x approaching 2, we have 3 minus square root x plus with the 7 over, we have x squared minus 4. So multiply by the conjugate, we have 3 plus, we have the situation, x plus with the 7 over 3 plus x plus with the 7. Remember, only expand for one part. So in here, my focus will be the numerator. So limit when x approaching 2. So we have 3 squared, which is equals to 9 minus, then we have x plus with the 7 over, so we have x squared minus 4 multiply with 3 plus square root of x plus with the 7. So if we simplify the situation, so limit when x approaching 2, we have 2 minus x over, so we have x squared minus 4 multiply with 3 plus with the square root x plus with the 7. So again, if we substitute the value 2, and we will have 0 over 0, which is the indeterminate form. Number 1, multiply by the conjugate. Number 2, factorization. Number 3, long division. So for the following part, my suggestion is to factorize the x squared minus 4. So limit when x approaching 2, we have 2 minus x over. So if we factorize the situation x squared minus 4, we will have x minus 2, x plus with the 2. Multiply 3 plus with the square root of x plus with the 7. So kindly focus on this part. We have to factor the negative. Rewrite again. Limit when x approaching 2, we have negative bracket x minus 2. So we have x minus 2, x plus with the 2, 3 plus with the square root, x plus with the 7. So notice that we have a common terms. So we can simplify. Limit when x approaching 2, we have negative 1 over, we have x plus with the 2, multiply with 3 plus square root, x plus with the 7. So if we substitute the value, and we will have negative 1 over, so we have 4, multiply with the situation, we have the 6. So limit when x approaching 2, for the function 3 minus square root of x plus with the 7 over, we have x squared minus 4, the value of y will be approaching negative 1 over 24. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.